we're taking you on a hike to Upper Sigua Falls and Alutom Falls. Absolutely amazing, kind of blew my mind. I wasn't expecting how amazing these falls look right over. Oh, can't show you that, you gotta watch the video. Enjoy the video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe below. It does help the channel, and enjoy. You make it? You're gonna get me off. Yep. Don't want to get wet just yet. We're literally 3 steps into the hike. But it may rain on us anyways. We will see. Found the split in the trail. Off to the right is Alutom Falls, and off to the left is Upper Sigua Falls. So we're heading to Alutom first.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Watching me struggle.
This trail is pretty thick and overgrown, but I think here we are. Alutom Falls. Beautiful little place just to sit and enjoy the nature. Waterfall and the jungle. Big guy. Oh, my soul right there. Leaving Alutom Falls, heading to Upper Sigua Falls. This trail is not the greatest.
Sort of breezing back on me.
This is cool. We're at the top of Upper Sigua Falls.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Holy moly. I honestly was not expecting this. It's a lot bigger than I thought.
amazing place to have your kitchen. How amazing does this feel?
Looks like we got some ropes to help on the descent, which is nice today because it's pretty slick and muddy. Ooh, look at the falls. This is just below Upper Sigua Falls. Looks like this is the last little drop into a pool. Beautiful in here. And that's it down here, on our way back out. Coming in hot. Oh, you can see sheets of it over there. Nice little cool down. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe below. We're here to show you the amazing, beautiful Guam and hopefully inspire you to live active, live healthy, get out there and get after it. And we'll see you in the next video.